Welcome to our comparison of the COSTWAY and Anypro portable washing machines. Today, we'll dive into the features that set these two models apart. The COSTWAY portable washing machine is a twin tub design, perfect for those who need a compact solution for RVs, apartments, or dorms. It offers a 12-pound washing capacity and an 8-pound spinner, making it a practical choice for small loads. On the other hand, the Anypro portable washing machine boasts a fully automatic operation with a larger 17.8 pounds capacity and 10 wash programs, providing a more versatile laundry experience. Let's see how they stack up in terms of price, features, and usability. Let's start with the price. The COSTWAY portable washing machine is priced at $159, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for an economical washing solution. In contrast, the Anypro model comes in at $199, which reflects its advanced features and larger capacity. While both options are designed for compact living, the COSTWAY offers a more affordable entry point for users on a tight budget. Next, let's compare their capacities. The COSTWAY model features a 12 pounds washing capacity and an 8-pound spinner, suitable for smaller loads. However, the Anypro portable washing machine offers a larger capacity of 17.8 pounds, allowing you to wash more clothes in a single cycle. This makes the Anypro a better choice for families or individuals with larger laundry needs. Finally, let's discuss the operation types. The COSTWAY portable washing machine is a semi-automatic twin tub model, meaning you'll need to manually transfer clothes between the wash and spin cycles. This can be a bit more hands-on. On the other hand, the Anypro model is fully automatic, offering a more convenient experience with multiple wash programs and features like a child lock. This makes the Anypro a more user-friendly option for those who prefer a hassle-free laundry experience. In conclusion, both the COSTWAY and Anypro portable washing machines have their unique advantages. The COSTWAY is a great budget option for those with limited laundry needs, while the Anypro offers a more feature-rich experience for a slightly higher price. Consider your specific requirements and space constraints when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.